To me, actually, the biggest challenges for successful restoration in Indonesia is the common understanding among different stakeholders, including government, smallholder, farmers, private sectors, about what actually restoration means. At the moment, mostly restoration is understood as being an ecological restoration and reforestation. As for landscape restoration, there's not many people think about it. And with this, then the multi-sectoral policies are not there. Every ministry will have their own policies, which is quite sectoral, and mostly will be addressing reforestation only. So to me, to be successful, restoration in Indonesia needs buy-in from others, and for that, the multiple benefit that every stakeholders can get from the restoration program is clear. Otherwise, it will be difficult to get restoration to be successful. And what I think should be the contribution of Restore Plus project to address these challenges is that we will provide evidences, we will provide some data and analysis from the model to advise where restoration should take place, who should do that, and what would be the options. And then as well as Restore Plus project will be able to advise what would be the economic viability of the restoration program, as well as advising where the pilot areas for restoration, if necessary, should be taken in Indonesia.